Alright, so yeah, this came exactly the same way as the other one did. Do not fold. So, yeah. A little smoother than the other one. If we just leave it like that, we can fold it in and out because I'm going to have to leave the magnetic tray probably in there. This one here, the other one already has a magnet. I don't know why they had to make the thing gold. It looks really cheesy, that color. I don't know if this one's double-sided or not. So it flexes real easily. The one that I got for the other one was like really thick. So that's the magnet. It is it does hang off the build plate. But that's okay. I'm not worried about that. It is not as thick as the other one. It's not like exactly the same texture either. It doesn't actually have the name on it, which is sort of weird. Let's see here. And the surface is about the same on both sides. So this is the other one. It came from the same company, but it actually has their name on it. This one, for whatever reason, doesn't. This printer here could be used because it already has. It's got a mat, which actually doesn't work bad. And the mat, for some reason, is also magnetic. I gotta put it somewhere. Alright, so let's see how well it sticks to this one. Well, I can tell you right now, the magnet on this is pretty weak compared to the Ender. This Ender over here is like bang. I'm wondering if they didn't get this build sheet. I feel like maybe the build sheet is. Well, this thing's just not very magnetic. So, anyway, I got to install this on my other printer so that I can use it. I did think maybe maybe I will install the magnetic stuff on a glass bed, or I don't know. The guy was talking about doing that. So I have two printers that have the same volume. I actually have three. This one, but the other one doesn't have a magnetic bed on it already. So I guess I'll have to either I just put it on the other one or figure out a way. Somebody was saying something about you could just take the magnetic piece and just stick it to the back of your glass, and you could just always use the glass later on the other side, or you flip it around and do it that way. So I don't know. I haven't really thought about it until now that the stuff just arrived. Creality, the seller contacted me. I think they're going to give me a new one of these, and the bottom part to that. So they're really nice about it, even though the Chinese translation isn't real great. Basically, they give you a year of free parts, I guess, which sounds kind of crazy, and then lifetime technical service. Which kind of interesting when you think about it. So anyway, I'm printing the tool holder right now with this. I'm actually using solar, and I'm over here. We want to look at the. I'm drawing 200 and something watts. I think the dryer might be on the other printer. So we have a filament dryer on and we're printing. We're drawing 235 watts. It's actually not that bad. So it also means it's really easy to power that from the solar too. So so other than that, oh yeah, and the laptop and another laptop is charging at the same time. So that's cool. So I need to get up to speed on all that too. But anyway, I just want to make a quick video for the build plate. I don't want to get distracted here. We'll catch you guys later.